exciting day because I am off all the touristy things and I'm really going to do what I plan to do. Starting Monday, all the routes have started and I am going to the cleanest village of Asia, that's Molinlong. But the way to Molinlong is amazing. I'm going to be capturing a lot of on the way shots. I am so in awe of Northeast. I mean, I never ever thought that it's going to be so pretty and so developed and so modern. Down because it's just there in front of my eyes and I'm going to be walking down. Now let's take a walk at the Living Root Bridge. I got a super pretty cute little spot in the Molinlong village to stay for tonight, and just behind what you see is the place I'm going to be staying. That door, super pretty area with beautiful flowers growing everywhere, and something more peculiar about is are these erka nuts, which is nothing but the supari which we eat in the pan. It's supposed to be super chewy and a super tasty one, and I'm yet to try one. So this is Philip and he is taking me to the Bangladesh viewpoint. But you said it's the Bangladesh border.
Yeah, this way goes to Bangladesh border.
Okay, and it's a beautiful jungle, I guess. Can we call it a jungle?
Yeah.
And it has all sort of plantation starting from arka, which is the supari, pineapples, jackfruits,
Yes.
pepper, tej pata. Yeah, we can see it. Yes, we can see it. There it is.
Very close.
The Bangladesh plains. climbed up this beautiful tree house just behind the football ground. We're sitting here and chilling here with the sunset. So when you are in Mollynog, don't miss this place. It's a nice place. So stay back in Mollynog, and when you need, you can contact Philip. He has a beautiful guest house which he manages. What's the name of the guest house?
Yartong.
Yeah?
Yartong.
Yartong. Is it on the internet?
It's in the internet. It's like Machan.
Okay, so yeah, it's like a machan. It's a little built on the top, and from the other side you can see the river view.
Earlier it was Machan.
It's called as the Machan guest house. Check it out. Women of Mollynog are the living portraits. For those who have seen my previous vlog will know that Meghalaya as a state follows the matriarchal system, and this can be dominantly seen in Mollynog. You find them playing a very important role not only in the household and taking care of the kids, but in running the shops, running the groceries, collecting firewoods, and taking the major decisions of the household. There are two most beautiful things apart from the village. One, the women, and second, the Khasi village kitchen.
Malnong village is derived from the stone. Mao means stone. Lenong is like a crater or a bowl shape. That's why they derived the name of Mao Lenong.
So most of the stones in
Most of the stone in the village, there are the bowl shape or a crater in the middle part of the stone.
just like this. So while I was walking throughout the village, I asked Philip, "How come you are the cleanest village? Did you all hold a campaign or something and Molyneux won it?" He laughed at me and he said, "No, this is the way we've been living. Cleanliness for us is not an habit, it's our culture. Our parents and our ancestors have repeatedly stressed on the benefits of cleanliness. It just got recognized in 2003 by some Discovery channel or something. However, it's that they have a community service daily and perhaps even monthly. The woman I was staying with told me that every Saturday there is a deep cleaning work that she does. And days when there are no community service, that is the days designated as holiday, there are cleaners, horticulturists, and gardeners taking care of the upkeep. All the time throughout my stay in the village, I did not come across any single string of web, neither heaps of dried leaves. I was astonished to know the fact that they even pick up the dried leaves and there is a way the dry leaves are treated. Currently, the village doesn't have a recycling plant, and hence, a lot of the waste that the tourists generate, that is mostly plastic in nature, has to be burnt, thereby creating a lot of pollutions. The general municipal board that the village houses is collecting funds to have an in house recycling plant. For a village with 75 families, having a recycling plant and doing such a phenomenal job is absolutely phenomenal, especially of the fact that there are 400 vehicles that come and visit Molyneux every day.